All right, we're here in the living room of the 2-bedroom, 1-bath side. So not the biggest living room, but still a good size. You know, you can fit a good size L sectional. You do have breakfast bar seating right here. So, you know, you don't traditionally have the dining room space. Actually live in something a little bit similar. We use that breakfast bar for breakfast, dinner, lunch, everything. It handles everything when we're hosting. But brand new kitchen, good size. You have your dishwasher on this side right here, brand new appliances. You know, you got some extra storage right here, good cabinet space or pantry space. But you know, it's got the essentials. Over here, you are gonna have your full bath right off here to the left. You know, a little bit shorter of a hallway, but great size bathroom. You know, a lot of the times when you see these spaces, you're gonna have a lot smaller bathroom. You actually have the dual sinks in here, which I think is so important, especially when it's only a 2-bed. But you're gonna have your secondary bedroom of the 2 right here. Still a good size. You can fit most size bed in here. Could be a little bit tight depending on what you're putting in. But you do have a beautiful window right over here with some nice natural light, closet. But the primary bedroom right over here, you have a lot more width on this side. So you could comfortably fit, you know, that king size bed, queen size bed, still have a little bit of space, a little bit bigger of a closet as well. But something that, you know, again, this is something where, you know, you spend your time here, you might have a few friends over, but this isn't going to be the biggest spot to host, but still plenty enough space to do everything. And, you know, it's brand new construction as well. So it'll be nice living in here. We're on the 1-bedroom, 1-bath side for this 4-plex. Again, similar layout as that 2-1, a little bit more space on that island right here where you could fit those 4 comfortably. You have the main living room that's kind of tied in together, but you actually have more cabinets on this side than that 2-1. But again, everything's brand new. I like the finishes on this one. As we leave the kitchen area, this is gonna be the primary and the only bedroom through here. Again, similar to the size of bedrooms on the other side of the unit, so you're not missing much. It is that 1 bedroom. You have a closet that rolls out all the way through here. And then we'll come over to the 1-bath. What's cool with this 1-bath, you still have the double sinks. So it is nice where if it's you and your significant other, that you still get your own space rather than most 1-bed, 1-bath, you see just that one tiny vanity, but you do have the full tub shower. I mean, for 1-bed, 1-bath, it's plenty of square footage, more than you'll see most of the time in those type of units. All right, we are actually on the balcony of the 3rd unit. We were just in the 2-1 and the 1-1 unit that's right here. What's cool about these bigger units, this is actually a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So when we're talking rental potential, having, you know, those 2 smaller units, but something that can house a family that you get a lot larger rent, or if you're living in something like this, having that 4-bedroom, but having income from those other 3 properties, this is great. So a lot more square footage over here, huge living room. You have a formal dining room area, big kitchen with some nice appliances and finishes. I really like these, you know, huge island right here. You know, big size fridge. And what's cool is it's kind of split up into 2, which we'll show. You have 2 bedrooms on that side, and then you have 2 other bedrooms over here as well, and a bathroom on each side. So again, be able to have your privacy. Over here is going to be your main pantry area. We're going to have 2 bedrooms on this side. We're going to go in the main bedroom first. So great size space. This does have its own full bath attached. So this is actually a 4-bed, 3-bath. So full shower in that one as well. And right between these 2 rooms, I like the tile on this one, good finishes. It's got that nice rainfall shower. So you got the 2 heads right there and that body sprayer as well. So they didn't spare any expense on this. And then you're gonna have bedroom number 2 right over here as well. This one's got a little bit more length. It's another good sized room. Your closet's gonna be in there. You actually got a walk-in closet over there as well. Now we're going to go to the other side of the property where you're going to have your other 2 bedrooms. So as we pass through here, this is going to be your washer dryer hookup. You got some storage up above, nice and tucked away. You have another full bath that's right here that you'll check out. Then over here is going to be bedroom 3. Got some nice views out the window, good sized room, great for a secondary. And then bedroom 4 Here's through here as well. It's basically the same size as the other one. Again, great views. You're in a great neighborhood over here.
So there were some workers still finishing up the house, so we couldn't go into the final unit, or at least not do a video of it. So here's just some clips of what it looks like checking it out. This one is a 4-bed, 2-bath. This is the bottom story of the unit, but another really cool unit. So in general, if you guys like this video, please subscribe. We'll be doing more stuff like this. And if you want to check us out, we do have a TikTok at Sacramento Investing. Looking forward to seeing you guys next time, and we'll see you around.